Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to check Facebook friend request sent list. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Facebook app on your device and then make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account. After that, go to your profile by tapping on the profile at the left side of your screen under that home icon. Once you tap on there, you will see your profile page. Now again tap on three dot menu that you will see on the screen behind edit profile. Tap on there. In here look for activity log and then tap on activity log. Once you're on this page, again scroll down and then tap on connection. Once you tap on there, again you have to tap on friend and then again there you will see few options there. Tap on send friend request. Once you tap on there, in this interface you will be able to see the list of the friend requests that you have sent from your account. So this is how you can check Facebook friend request sent list. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.